Psychology of peace, conflict, and empathy. The psychology of peace, conflict, and empathy is a field of study that seeks to understand human behavior in situations of disagreement, cooperation, and social harmony. It explores why conflicts arise, how they escalate, and what psychological factors can foster peace and reconciliation. Human beings are naturally social creatures, and our interactions are shaped by emotions, perceptions, values, and beliefs. Conflicts occur when these elements clash, whether between individuals, groups, or nations. Understanding the psychological underpinnings of conflict and the mechanisms for promoting peace is essential for building more harmonious relationships, communities, and societies. Empathy, in particular, plays a central role in bridging divides and fostering understanding, as it allows individuals to connect with the experiences and emotions of others, thereby reducing hostility and promoting cooperation. Conflict is a natural part of human interaction, arising when individuals or groups perceive incompatible goals, needs, or interests. Conflicts can manifest in various forms, including interpersonal disagreements, workplace disputes, social tensions, and international confrontations. The intensity and impact of conflict depend on psychological, social, and contextual factors. Cognitive processes, such as perception and attribution, shape how individuals interpret conflicts. For example, people may perceive others' actions as hostile or unfair, even when intentions are neutral, leading to misunderstandings and escalation. Emotional factors, including anger, fear, and frustration, further intensify conflict, influencing behavior and decision-making. Social identity and group membership can also exacerbate conflict, as individuals may favor their in-group while perceiving out-groups as threats. Understanding these psychological mechanisms provides insight into why conflicts emerge and persist, highlighting the importance of awareness, communication, and perspective-taking in resolving disputes. Aggression and competition often accompany conflict, but they are not inevitable. Psychological research emphasizes the role of empathy, cooperation, and communication in mitigating conflict and promoting peaceful outcomes. Empathy allows individuals to understand and share the feelings of others, fostering compassion, respect, and tolerance. When people can appreciate the experiences and perspectives of those they are in conflict with, they are more likely to engage in constructive dialogue, negotiate, and seek mutually beneficial solutions. Empathy reduces dehumanization, stereotyping, and prejudice, which are common contributors to social tensions and violence. Encouraging empathy through education, exposure to diverse perspectives, and reflective practices strengthens the capacity for reconciliation and collaboration. Conflict resolution strategies are informed by psychological principles that aim to reduce hostility, promote understanding, and restore relationships. Active listening, effective communication, and problem-solving are essential tools for resolving disputes. Active listening involves attentively hearing and acknowledging the concerns of others without judgment, demonstrating respect and validation. Effective communication emphasizes clarity, honesty, and emotional regulation, ensuring that messages are understood and that misunderstandings are minimized. Problem-solving involves identifying the underlying issues, exploring alternative solutions, and negotiating agreements that address the needs and interests of all parties. These approaches foster cooperation, trust, and constructive engagement, highlighting the interplay between cognitive, emotional, and social factors in achieving peaceful outcomes. The psychology of peace extends beyond resolving conflicts to promoting positive social interactions, tolerance, and pro-social behavior. Peace psychology emphasizes the importance of creating environments that encourage empathy, social justice, equity, and human rights. Education, community engagement, and cross-cultural experiences cultivate understanding, reduce prejudice, and enhance social cohesion. Exposure to diverse perspectives challenges assumptions, broadens awareness, and nurtures a sense of shared humanity. Programs that encourage dialogue, collaboration, and cooperative problem-solving develop skills and attitudes that support long-term peace, demonstrating that peace is not merely the absence of conflict but an active process that involves understanding, respect, and mutual support. At the group and societal level, social identity, norms, and collective behavior influence conflict and peace. People are influenced by the values, expectations, and behaviors of their social groups, which can either exacerbate tension or facilitate cooperation. Inclusive social identities, shared goals, and collaborative norms promote peaceful interaction and collective problem-solving. Conversely, rigid group boundaries, competition for resources, and negative stereotypes increase the likelihood of conflict. Intergroup contact, dialogue, and cooperative projects reduce prejudice, foster empathy, and build relationships across social divides. Psychological research highlights the importance of addressing both individual and collective processes in creating conditions for peace and reducing hostility. Conflict can also provide opportunities for growth, learning, and social transformation when managed constructively. Psychologists recognize that addressing underlying needs, fostering mutual understanding, and promoting reconciliation can lead to stronger relationships, increased resilience, and more cohesive communities. Constructive conflict encourages critical reflection, perspective-taking, and problem-solving, helping individuals and groups develop skills that support social harmony. By cultivating empathy, communication, and cooperation, people can transform potential sources of tension into opportunities for connection, understanding, and collective well-being. In conclusion, the psychology of peace, conflict, and empathy provides essential insight into human behavior in situations of disagreement and cooperation. Conflict arises from perceived incompatibilities, emotional reactions, and social dynamics, but it can be mitigated through empathy, effective communication, active listening, and problem-solving. Empathy allows individuals to understand and share the emotions of others, reducing hostility and fostering reconciliation. Peace is promoted not only by resolving conflicts but also by creating social environments that encourage understanding, tolerance, cooperation, and equity. At both individual and societal levels, psychological principles can guide behavior toward constructive engagement, mutual respect, and collaborative solutions. By applying these principles, individuals, communities, and nations can reduce conflict, strengthen social cohesion, and create conditions for lasting peace. Understanding and cultivating empathy, combined with skills in communication and conflict resolution, empowers people to navigate disagreements thoughtfully, promote positive relationships, and contribute to a more peaceful world. If you found this explanation helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.